Our people say food wey sweet na money cook am. My people, now we suppose dey smart with our investment, money and savings. Make Kadaino no come become our anthem o. You dey wonder why rich people money just dey double, dey go. Na because they dey see things wey me and you no dey see. You fit dey see bush, dem dey see estate. If you wan start your investment journey, the best thing for you to do na to start with this estate, Brownsville Court. Estate dey very affordable. A 600 square meter plot is going for 10.2 million naira. And on top this one wey I dey tell you so, this estate come with a 12-month payment plan. This one simply means say you fit dey pay small. You can come without your 500,000 naira. Before you know, you don get the land. I know say some people go dey say, this one na risk. Abeg, na rich people dey invest money. But my people, everything wey we dey do for this life na risk. If you start business, na risk. If you buy motor, na risk. So why not take the lowest risk wey dey this life, wey be property risk? And then make I tell you now, this promo wey dey happen now, wey we dey call summer promo slash. This one simply means say, if you buy 4 plots of land from us, you go get 1 free. Visit us for our office today or call the number on your screen.